talk to you about my Tombstone project, but it's the Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Club. And these are the colors that I chose. It's those gray tones. I was thinking it would make a good gift for a boy, a man, and I've got three son-in-laws and a wonderful son. So if they're watching, you might get something for Christmas like this. You never know. If I like it a lot, I might keep it though. It's the Fall Puzzle Mystery Quilt Wild West. And this is the 2024 Wild West. And so usually I get my blocks by the 10th. But last month, January, I didn't get clue number 7 until the 24th of February. So I was, I just was waiting and hoping that nobody had stolen it out of my mailbox. So this is the large clues. Well, we won't look at that. These are just the shapes. And so here are my clues from last month. Aren't they beautiful? I think it's going to be neat. I hope they have those polka dots turn into like a mountain range or some kind of arrows. That would be good. So there's 4 of them like this. And the fabric is so neat. It looks like an engineer was writing mathematics. And then this is like old money on a fleur-de-lis, maybe, something like that. It's and I love that fabric. It's so interesting and different than anything I usually do. Are any of you doing the Tombstone? And did you pick Tombstone fabrics for Wild West? Anybody? Leave me a comment if you did. I know that most people pick the colorful ones, I tend to think, because that's what I see people doing. But here is my 6. Had more than this, pretty sure. Yeah, here's 6A. And this fabric looks like handwritten in a journal. It's so nice. And this was also part of clue 6. And these are like spider webs that you would find in an old Western Death Valley, when we were living in California, we went to Death Valley, and we also went to a bunch of old mining towns that are derelict, and they've sort of turned them into destinations for tourists. That was, 45 years ago, but it was still very interesting, and some of the original stuff was still there. And you can go down in the mine and see what they were, how did the people live and how did they, it was amazing. But those are fun. And so this is a couple more of the blocks. I just think it's going to be wonderful. So here we are at March. And I know I got billed for March just a few days ago. So I'm looking forward to getting my March clue and getting this going. Now, I didn't get one of these in the last October one. No, I didn't get one of these in the January. So was this something just for last year? It says October, August, September. Here's July. Must have been when we started. And then December. And two for December. Are you getting those also? Anyway, that's what I'm doing with this. It's called Tombstone. It's all shades of gray and black. And it's very interesting fabrics that look like real old-timey things. I like it. So that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. If the fabric is the Tim Holtz Eclectic Elements for Free Spirit. Not the colorful ones like they did that. The next sequence of things that you could buy were the colorful ones in color groups. But these are all in shades of gray and antique looking fabrics. I just love them. It's a little bit like, remember what steampunk looked like 20 years ago? That sort of reminds me of this stuff. Anyway, Good to see you again. Have a wonderful day. If you're working on Tombstone, send me a comment, a picture. I don't know how to get a picture though. Well, tell me to look on your site and I'll look on your site and find your picture, okay? All right, well, have a good day and God bless. Bye now.